Neck pain, tensions, migraines, and even fibromyalgia flare-ups have people searching for relief. Today we're testing the Aurenova Sereni Stim device. Does it really ease pain or is it just clever marketing? Let's break it down. So the Sereni Stim isn't just a pill, it's a wearable cervical neuromodulation device that wraps around the back of your neck and delivers gentle electric stimulation, heat, and massage-style therapy. The brand says it helps calm pain signals, relax muscle tension, support circulation, and reduce stress and anxiety. Here's why some people say it helps. Many reported pain relief and relaxation in web testimonials. Users with fibromyalgia, chronic neck stiffness, and tension say they notice less discomfort after regular use. Designed with multiple intensity levels and modes so you can adjust electrical stimulation and warmth, and the idea of neuromodulation and low frequency current is similar to TNS style therapy, which some people find helpful for muscle and nerve related pain relief. But be real about expectations. There's no independent clinical evidence proving Sereni Steam delivers significant pain relief for anyone. Most proof comes from branded testimonials, not published studies. Reddit users discussing similar wearable stimulation products note that results vary widely, and not everyone finds electric stimulation comfortable or effective. Devices like this cannot replace medical treatment for serious conditions. They are more of a pain management aid, and effectiveness can be highly personal. So does the Sereni Steam actually relieve pain? It might help some people with mild muscle tension, stress-related discomfort, or stiffness, especially when used consistently. But there's no strong independent clinical proof that it works for everyone, and electrical neuromodulation effects can vary between users. Think of it as a support tool rather than a definitive cure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.